Hello everyone, macOS Genius on the YouTube channel with Sifu Techs. Hey, I just want to excite my excitement. It took me a while, but I've been using this app called Canva. I just found it on the web and so forth. You can make menus and etc. So I've been making, small little stuff for my restaurant clients. And instead of them going to a professional that can design their lunch menu, the brunch menu, the dinner menu, etc., I just been, you know, tagging things on here and there and so forth, playing with it. And so now I finally got it running. So I got this brunch one. This is being used live right now at the restaurant of Cuba 312 in Roscoe Village. And then I also have the finalized menu, which is, oh my gosh, this one I think it is. Nope, this one. Yeah. So now I see I've been awarded high five to me, designs, and it's just been working great. You can change every little feature functionality once you add it in there. It's like imagining, I guess, Adobe. And then you can do all the different layers or so forth, but you can do them all at one time. Yeah, so this is a new menu. Feel free to come out to Cuba 312. See if you like the menu, see if you like whatever. I've also put the menus actually online. I made it all websites related to official Cuba 312. It is called Cuba 312, though we changed it because there were some people out there trying to steal the name. So we had to go to, of course, official Cuba 312. All right, that's pretty much all I just wanted to explain and share. This has been a very useful app and continue to use it. If you have any questions down below, feel free to put them in and I'll see what I can do to answer them properly. All right, have a good day.